Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into VOO. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024, and today we're bringing you an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, VOO has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 12.28% since we initially recommended buying it 56 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.22% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.88% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 12.31% and 16.87%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 16.65% change over the next year, with a potential return between 2.17% and 17.67%. This suggests a price range of $458.21 to $527.76 after 1 year. Our latest update for VOO brings an important headline: VOO ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 25, 2024, the VOO ETF price increased by 0.563%, going from $445.99 to $448.50. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains for the ETF. While it's unusual for ETFs to experience such a consistent upward trend, it's important to keep in mind that occasional declines are to be expected. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.594%, hitting a low of $446.11 and a high of $448.76. In the last 10 days, the price has risen on 7 occasions, resulting in a 2.41% increase over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased by -65,000 shares on the last day, totaling 4 million shares traded, equivalent to approximately $1.86 billion. It's worth noting that declining volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning sign of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $449.19, while the lowest price was $349.76. Presently, the price is 0.15% or $0.690 below the 52-week high of $449.19, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. Here are the signals for VOO. The VOO ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. If the stock experiences downward corrections, it will find support at $442.79 and $434.29. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 4, 2024, resulting in a 4.44% increase so far. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite price gains, volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning signal, so it's important to closely monitor the ETF. Let's explore some other interesting signals. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 54 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 41 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO has a support level at $434.01, which is backed by accumulated volume. This support level can present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is being tested. This ETF generally has controlled movements and offers good liquidity, making the risk associated with it very low. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $2.65 or 0.594% between its high and low points. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 0.705%. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for VOO. Looking at the accumulated volume, there doesn't seem to be any significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock may experience a swift upward movement. In such a case, it might be wise to consider entering a position and then using volume indicators to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. For this video, we have an important recommendation regarding stop loss. It is strongly advised to set your stop loss at $429.18, which represents a decrease of 4.31%. Now, let's take a closer look at this ETF. It exhibits relatively low daily movements, which indicates a lower level of risk. However, we need to consider the RSI 14, which currently stands at 83. This high value significantly increases the risk associated with this investment. On a positive note, there is a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom that was detected 14 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? While VOO holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares, as we await further development. Our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate VOO to open down by $0.710 and start trading at $447.79. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful time ahead. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.